All right, we are on the last section of the admin intermediate trail. This is an easy one too. So let's do this. So we just need to create a global action. We have done this before on the previous trail on the same admin intermediate. Remember when we built another app? So I won't go into the details of showing you with my emulator on how this will show on my phone. And we're just going to create a quick action and verify the action on this video. Let's go. So first, I want to create a global action. I'm going to go to setup here. Pop that up. And we are going to create a global action. Global, which will show up on our mobile phone at the bottom. Okay, so it's going to be create a record and we are going to name it new battle station. Here we go. New battle station. Create a record. Target object is battle station. Standard label type, leave it. And we are going to name it new battle station. Create fit item, sure. New battle station created, exclamation point, and save. Now we have that, we have add that. So what field do we want to add? So the layouts, okay, but what fields do they want? New battle station name or just that? Okay, so just leave that, and then we want to add a quick action on the publisher layouts. So let's just leave this one field there, and then go back home here from the setup, publisher layouts on here, edit the global layout, and then add your new battle station action by dragging it from the global layout. New battle station, I'm going to add this on the very left and save. Okay, so that will be on the left side here if I open up my emulator, but we have seen that, so I'm going to skip the emulator and we are done. So you have completed the admin intermediate trail, all of it. Congratulations. And I expect you to go and move forward to the advanced trail, the admin advanced trail. Okay, so let's verify this and get our last badge. And I'll see you on the next Trailhead admin advanced. Bada bing, bada boom. Boom! Woohoo! Congratulations! Hit that subscribe button and explore new Trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video, and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.